Okay, in a Kerala mural painting, there is three types of shading there. One is Bindujam and Rekhikam and Patrikam shading. Okay, let's start with the Bindujam shading. First of all, the area to be shaded can be divided into three areas. The one is darkest shade, and the light one, and the light and highlight area. Okay, so in the dark area, the brush stroke should be thicker, and we should add some pressure on the brush. In the light shade area, subsequently reduce the brush pressure and the thickness of color. Okay, in the light area as it is, again reduce the pressure of the brush and the thickness of colors. Okay, then repeat the process. So this is how the Bindujam would work. Let's see. First, in the dark area, giving bigger stroke and more colors. Okay, and the light shade area, reduce the size of the stroke and the color on the brush. And continue in the light and highlight area. Okay, again reduce the size of the brush. In this area we should add very small dots. And in the highlight area, means the end of shading area should not touch. Even if you touch, then the color should not visible. That's it. So this is the first step in shading. Okay, then again repeat the process. Here the big stroke and pressure on the brush. Then mix in between areas. And one thing you have to notice that you should not take more colors. You should start with a very at least color in brush. So start with very lightly, then we have full control over the shading. If the colors increase in the brush, it will not go as it is well. Again repeat the process. Big stroke here. This is the darkest area. Then small strokes. Okay. And in the light area and the highlight area, the brush should touch very gently. Okay, just touch, and the brush strokes also like that. Enough. Now we getting the gradient pattern. Repeat once again. When we starting the shading, we should get the colors as a washing level, means 1:10 color combination. One percentage color and 10 parts of water. You can use any color, no problem, because in shading the brush stroke is the main important thing. So don't worry about any colors. You can do with any color, green, blue, black, whatever. The brush strokes and its pressure, and we have the full control over it. That is the important thing. That is what we have to practice. And repeating again. Once more. And I am sure that when you continue the practicing, you will find a better way to shading, because everyone has their own style and method. So just practicing it, you should find your own comfortable method. It is just the basic principle I am showing. Okay, we should understand what the result we have to get. That is important. Okay, currently I think our shading almost finished. We can make it more better by controlling the brush very gently. So here this is the basic level. So from this basic level you have to practice. Once again I am showing the basic step. This is the darkest area, and this is light shade, and this light and highlight area. See the brush stroke and its pressure showing the size of every stroke. Here a small stroke and small pressure, and also reducing the size and the pressure. So this is the basic shape of this shading area. Okay, and it's a repetition of these strokes. I hope you understand. Just to practice the method I am showing you, and you will get the better result. Okay, so this is the Bindujam method. Bindu means dot. Okay, sometimes if there are any excess colors on the brush, you can wipe it off and give small touches, will give the perfection. Okay, always use minimal amount of colors. That will give us a full control over the shadiness. Otherwise, sometimes if excess colors will exceed the shade area and the mistakes. So always try, especially in the beginning, take minimal amount of colors. Okay, so this is the Bindujam method.